Well, good day everyone, it's Grizz. I'm out on the Ducati again. Couldn't resist, 916, had to come out. I hope it's going to be dry enough. Now this has really been an extreme day. I've had a morning being out on the KTM, and now I've jumped onto the 916, and oh my god, it's so flippin' extreme. It's not until you ride something that's completely opposite that you realise actually what an extreme bike this is. I mean, it really is. Your hands are lower than your bum and you're kind of stretching out over the tank, and yeah, it's an extreme bike to ride, but it kind of hits home even more how special this bike is. So yeah, an even bigger privilege it feels almost at the moment. Grizz is feeling decidedly fat today on this bike after having so much raucous fun on the KTM earlier. I sit on this now and I just feel like my gut is getting in the way of touching the bars. Jeez, I keep blaming this gluten diet that I'm having to stick on, making me fat and bloated. But it is, and I will improve, and this bike will get even more comfy to ride. There's no two ways about it. It's extreme, you know, it's an extreme riding position. The bars could probably go higher up really for me, and the back end down a little, but also make it more usable for Taffy as and when she wants to have a go. So yeah, maybe we'll look at doing that over the winter months. But anyway, I've got the external mic on. I'm going to take it for a little jaunty up the take it up the gorge, and no references, funny references to my taking it up the gorge statement, please. Yeah, let's take it out of the gorge and stretch the girl's legs out. Oh god, that sounds wrong. Yeah, open up the 916, have a little bit of fun, and get home before the rain starts, hopefully. Oh, let her sing. Let it not rain. This is the ride I've been wanting. The one up here, I love coming up here. You've got to be a bit careful coming up here, to be fair. There's a lot of parts of the road that can catch you out. This corner in particular is very deceptive. It looks fine, but it just keeps going and going. And I think it kind of goes off camber a bit here, and you need to kind of approach it slowly. Yep. Can still shift, mind this bike, really can, really something else, and this weather is just not looking very favourable. Let's pull it in here, give you a quick little going over of this bike, and then we're going to head back, because I'm not wanting to get this bike soaking wet today, and I don't have a lot of time either, to be fair. Right. Oh, Jesus. I mean, this is one of the things that some of you have pointed out. It leans over bloody far. But it is spectacular. I don't care what anyone has to say about this bike. The service intervals, how much servicing it is. Jesus Christ. Side stand. The maintenance, all the rest of it. It's just a beautiful bike. And I don't regret the purchase at all. It's a completely different bike to the BMW S1000R. It's a sport bike, but this sports bike started off all the kind of sports bikes and really kind of defined what sports bikes was back in the 90s. So yeah, it's never going to compare to the new stuff, but I mean, actually, from a beauty standpoint, it is bloody gorgeous. It is. I do love it to bits. The Alinis forks, I've never seen a gold lower Alinis forks. I'm pretty sure the owner has had this anodized. Maybe also the uppers are anodized as well. The lower is Alinis, along with the stanchion. That is a fork stanchion, isn't it? And I think these outer tube outers are original, along with the tops here. I'm pretty sure this has been anodized as well. There's a few other anodized bits and pieces. I mean, obviously anodized bolts and whatnot. It's looking threatening, isn't it? God, Grizz is going to get soaked. Arrow exhausts. There is a performance air filter under there as well. We did have a quick look. I'm not sure of the make. I didn't pull it out fully. There is an Alinis spring on the back, but it's a standard Showa shock absorber at the moment. Fucking hell. Excuse my French. He's having some fun, making the most of it. Grizz is going to take a photo. I'll give you another talk some more again when the weather's looking more favourable. But I want to take a couple of photos for you guys before heading home. Right, that is enough, because it is going to flipping rain. You just know it. And she starts so lovely, no problems, no coughs, no splutters. Just sparks into life straight away, no problem. Love it. I do love it. Excuse me, I do love it. It's Gert Lush. It's just super special to me. Right, such a shame about the weather. Can't trust it. We hit the rev limiter then. Maybe not, I don't know. Anyway. She's certainly got a lot of go. I ride the KTM this morning and I'm like, geez, the KTM is faster than this thing. And then I get on this and I go, no, this thing's way faster than the KTM. Oh dear, it's just two different kinds of bikes that give you two very different experiences, and yeah, I'm very, very lucky to be able to experience both. Don't get me wrong, I mean, you could buy your average MT10 for both of these bikes, the 916 and a KTM 950 Supermoto, so, you know, it's not the world of money. Grizz isn't like living a super kind of spoiled lifestyle, although this is spoiled in my books. Going from having no bikes because I was totally and utterly broke, not even a roof over my head, to this is massive. So I appreciate it all, and I do also appreciate you other guys and girls that can't afford these bikes, and I know what it's like. It's frustrating as hell. I hope I'm not peeing people off. I'm just trying to share the enjoyment and love of two wheels with you. It's my obsession, and I'm just hope you enjoy it. But anyway, I've talked enough rubbish. Let's try not to drop it on this gravel down here. Don't want another gravel experience, do we? Nice and slow, Grizz. Nice and careful. So I hope you don't mind these types of vlogs, just with a bit more audio of the bikes and not so much of Grizz, just so you can enjoy, and particularly the 916. It's a special bike and it deserves its own microphone, I feel. So that's what I'm doing here. Photo opportunity. I'm not 100% sure about these tyres. Someone said to me that maybe they need replacing. I think they've been on the bike for quite a long period of time, so they may well have gone off. So Grizz is being definitely more cautious as late, because he really doesn't obviously want to ruin his pride and joy. That Super Duke is sounding absolutely beasting. Cool. You know what, the other day I was actually a bit worried about this bike, because I thought it might be just like a track bike that has been put on the road, and now I can actually see the numbers here. This bike has been powder coated, but it's got such a good finish on it, it's almost lacquered over the numbers here, but I can see them now. The things you do and don't do when you buy a bike. Checking the frame and engine numbers are like essential, and I didn't actually do it. I got so caught up with the beauty of this bike that I didn't actually check it properly. How bad am I? Right, I think that's a good ride. We've managed to get out and not get wet, and the bike's still clean. I'm happy with that. I'll give it probably a little wipe down here and there, but it's not having a full bath. No bath tonight, baby. Just get home, get the bikes away, and get Taffy home, and I'll get on with editing. So I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, this little ditty. Enjoyed the sounds of my 1996 Ducati 916, and yeah, look forward to bringing you some more soon. I'll probably do some serious videos at some point, some simple stuff, changing of fluids, and yeah, we'll see the state of those brakes as well. Sorry if today's been a little bit lame with my riding. I'm just building up my confidence with this bike, and I'm not 100% sure about some things, so I'm taking it steady, just being sensible. It's really not the time of year to be riding hard, as we've already seen. So anyway, much love, people. Grizz is talking rubbish. He's gonna go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Much love. Bye, y'all. Bye. Bye.